The world's becoming more wireless, and that applies to charging as well, but running into a few challenges. Up on my nightstand, I've got a wireless charging pad for my smartphone, but I'm getting more and more devices now that have that capability. I actually have two phones. I've got an iPhone and I have an Android phone. I've got some AirPods, my Apple Watch. They can all be charged wirelessly. It's nice if that could all be combined into one unit. This is something from Ampere. It's called their Unravel Apple Watch Edition. This is a folding Qi charger. And Qi is the standard for wireless charging that all these devices adhere to. And what's cool is that it's got 3 wireless charging pads. So instead of all those stupid cords behind my nightstand, I'm only gonna have 1 stupid cord, but it'll be able to charge 3 devices at the same time. So I'm gonna try to open up this knife here without cutting myself. Thanks, Steven. I'm gonna cut this little puppy open. And what do we have? Got a nice little signed note from, looks like one of the co-founders. The instructions that I probably will not read. And here we have the baby itself. I've got a nice red edition here, which is kind of cool. And what's unique about this charger again is that it does have the 3 charging pads, and there's a number of ways you can actually stack this thing as well. You can have it all 3 charging pads laid out in a row. So obviously you can kind of put your smartphones down, and then maybe you've got a wireless pair of AirPods or other type of earbuds. Pretty simple here. But you can also start folding this thing into different variations. So this little thing pops out here. Let's see if I can get it out. Da, da, da. I don't even know what I'm doing here, but you could have it stand up like this, and then you could have your phone in like this. You could have a phone down here. You get the idea. The nice thing though is that this is good for traveling as well, obviously, because you can then fold it all together and presto kazinga, you're good to go. Of course, for this all to work, you're gonna have to have a charging cord for this. There's the travel kit here. And inside the travel kit, you can obviously put the charging pad, but it does have the USB-C charger device here and the cable itself as well. And if you look on the side, right here is where you plug in the cord, plug the cord into the charger, plug that into the wall. Like I said, also does the Apple Watch as well, so you can basically put that on at night if you want to charge that puppy up. And you've basically got your Apple AirPower charging pad. That should have been, could have been, but didn't happen. Again, this is something pretty cool from the folks at Ampere. It's called their Unravel Apple Watch Edition, and this will solve some of the cord issues that you might have with all your wireless charging devices on your nightstand or desk. And the nice thing is that you can actually pack this thing up and take it traveling with you as well, which is kind of a cool thing.